Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from LeetCode website. And the name of this problem is Product Sales Analysis 3. And today is our day 64 of 100 days of SQL challenge where I will be solving one SQL question each day. And I hope you guys are also solving one question with me to practice SQL. And we are doing SQL 50 series and this is a medium level problem. Okay, now let's try to read this problem and we'll try to solve this. So we have this sales table where I have 5 columns, that is sale ID, product ID, year, quantity and price, and all of them have the data type integer. Sale ID and year is the primary key, so this sale ID and this year, the values of these two columns will be unique and it cannot have null value as well, right? Product ID is a foreign key reference column to product table, so this product ID is the foreign key for this table, that is product, right? Each row of this table shows a sale on the product ID in a certain year. Note that the price is per unit, right? And then we have another table, that is product, where I have only 2 columns, that is product ID and its name. Product ID is of the data type integer and product name is of the data type varchar. Product ID is the primary key column with unique values of this table, right? Each row of this table indicates the product name of each product, right? Write a solution to select the product ID, year, quantity and price for the first year of every product sold. Return the result table in any order, so we don't have to do order by. The result format is in the following example. So we have this sales table input where I have sale ID, product ID, year, quantity and price. Now for this we have product table where I have product ID and product name, and this is the output that I need, that is product ID, first year, quantity and then price. So for example, let's say for this product ID 100, right? So here there are 2 rows in which they have product ID 100 and first is 2008 and then 2009. So I need the first year, so I need the 2008 year, right? So this is I need 2008 and this quantity and price and its product ID, right? And now for 200 there are only one value, so it will be the first year, so I need this. I hope you understand the question and let's try to solve this. And my approach would be, first from this sales table I will take the minimum of this year by each product ID so that I can find out the first year of each product, right? So let's do that. So from, and always write the keywords in capital letters, it's a good practice. So from this sales table I want, and select is used to retrieve the data, I want the product ID and year. So product ID and year. Alright, and now I want the min of this year, right? So minimum. So minimum of year, and let me give alias as first year. First year. And now we are doing basically aggregation, and the column which is not a part of your aggregation, you have to use that column in group by. So I will say group by this, and now let me run this. So it will give me the minimum of year for every product ID. Yeah, so now if you let me just, yeah, so now if you see, this is the output that I am getting. So here for product ID 100 this is the first year, and for product ID 200 this is the first year. Now we got the product ID and first year. Now we want to get the quantity and price. Okay, so if I write it here, quantity and price and then min of year, then I have to do group by three columns, that is product ID, quantity and price. So that's why I have only do this first. So now I can use this as my virtual table and use in CT, and then I can join this virtual table with this on the basis of sale ID, or no, on the basis of product ID basically, and then I can get the quantity and price. So let's do that. Okay, so here let me treat this as with first year CT. Let me give alias as this. So you can use anything, any alias, but for now let's use this CT as. Okay, so let me put bracket here. All right, so now this is my first year CT table. So basically this one, this one is my first year CT table. Okay, now what I can do is select from this sales table, right? Sales table. Let me give alias as S. I will do inner join. Why I am doing inner join? Because here the product that we got is 100 and 200. So basically we have all the product that we need in both of the tables. So that's why I am doing inner join here. So inner join this first year CT. Let me give alias as F. And now on which condition I should join these two tables? So let me move it little downwards. Okay, so on this product ID is same in both of the tables. So I can say that S dot product ID should be equals to F dot product ID. All right, and let me get everything for now. And one more thing also. So let me show you this one. So I am joining this table with this one, right? So if I do that, S dot product ID should be equals to F dot product ID. So this 100 will join with this. So I got this product ID, this, and year this, and then this 100 will join with this, right, again. And the records that I will get is year this one and first year this one. So basically I don't want this record, right? So what other condition that I can apply is I can say that S dot product ID should be equals to F dot product ID, and this year should be equals to the first year. So basically I want this 2008 to be matched with this record. So that's why I'm only interested in this record, so that I can get the quantity and price. All right, so let me do that as well. So I can say, and this S dot year should be equals to your F dot first year. F dot first year. All right, and now let me run this. Okay, so here you got this output, right? Let me make it little big. Yeah, so you got this output. So basically the product ID 100 you got and 200 you got. Now the columns I want is, I want product ID. So let me, instead of selecting everything here, I need the product ID. So let me select product ID here. So product ID I'm getting from S table, so S dot product ID. Then I want this first year, so first year F dot first year, and then I want the quantity and price. So quantity and price, and quantity is from S dot quantity, and then this price is also from S dot price. All right, and now let me run this. Okay, so it gets accepted, but always keep this in practice that in LeetCode submit the question as well. So let me submit it. Yeah, it gets submitted as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you are liking this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment as well if you don't understand anything, and please do one SQL question each day so that you can be a good in SQL, right? And again, thank you so much for watching this video.